won the lottery, right? Died the next day. It's a multiply in your Chardonnay. It's a death row pardon, 10 minutes too late. And isn't it ironic? Don't you think?
Oop. So who must do the in? It's a me, but the shot is you. Okay. DJ Yolo joining us for this game. Gonna be fun times, everybody. So you saw the video, but we're doing it a little differently, right? Our backs will be to the screen. This one?
No.
That one here, showing the car. But we can see it in the monitor, Clivos. I shouldn't even have said anything.
Why did you say that?
I don't know. Showing the karaoke lyrics. So we're gonna hear the song. We're gonna buzz in, and then we're gonna start singing or reciting the lyrics of the song.
I know it's what Richard said.
Truths, turn your monitor, cause Nephill teeth, you know.
No, Richard said I must go over there, so because me don't know how me will reach.
Clivos.
No, man, no, we will just no, man. Tease me and tease you. We will just look, so no problem. We're not going to cheat. We're just looking down there.
Speak for yourself.
No, I'm serious. We're not looking. You're not going to look either.
So you're saying I can guess the artist and
No,
the lyrics?
The lyrics. So you either
Just the
sing it
lyrics.
or recite it.
All right.
Okay.
But we're just going to look, so we're not
One
looking.
bell for the
It's all right,
Clivos.
Clive. It's all right,
Let's
Clive.
go
You're not-
We're gonna fight.
Ready?
Right, let's go.
I feel good, Barista. I feel
That
good.
was quick.
If it's the right one, oh, not a night.
All right.
Or it could be Rummy. Oh, I went to that hands. Feel good, feel good. I feel good, cause your perfume is loud, and only I can talk about. Feel good, feel good. I feel like you feel like velvet running over my skin. Hey, it's a morning show. It's a Wendy's. Sorry, Jody.
Oh, it done.
Oh.
Just a little-
No.
No, me just want to tell you, I know the tune, but
Oh, it's too late.
You're pretty late.
Next one. Yolo, move your hand.
Yolo is a crook just like
Yolo, move your hand. Jesus. Is that Whitney Houston?
You sure that wasn't me?
Oh, I want to dance with
No?
somebody.
I'm every
It was
woman.
me. No. Want to dance with somebody. Wrong
Yeah.
tune. Ready?
Close enough.
Woo! Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, yeah. Sing my name.
This instrumental I play, where you want me to sing the trombone. That's what we say. That's that.
I want to dance. Ra-da-da-da. Clock strikes upon the hour and the sun begins to
You
fade.
know that?
Enough time to figure out how to chase my blues away. I'm gonna
But it's gonna be alone, buzz, you know.
now.
So why we have it if nobody don't buzz on me?
Shows me
But you
how.
don't buzz on now.
And when the night falls, my only heart calls. Take it away now. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody.
All right.
Yeah, I wanna dance.
Give me a chance, though.
No,
Step
I'm
away.
not
No,
a
but
gameplay.
it is not fair because now them do a buzz.
I know
and
some
I buzz
gameplay.
and they don't give me a chance. You say no. Watch out. Me name here, I go.
Go on.
She doesn't
To
want
experience.
me around.
No, to experience.
To experience.
By Barrington.
No, but I'm telling you where the song name, Claudine, do you mind?
Doesn't want me around. She's got something
To hide.
Hey.
I think she wants a clown.
You're not sing.
What I know?
Telling you.
I'm
To
too experienced to be taken for a stroll.
Who do this originally?
Too experienced. Getting technical now, you know.
Rock.
And roll.
Who did this
Too
originally?
experienced to be taken for a ride.
I know it's not my foolish pride. Okay, next track. Nev, are you like nil on the board?
No,
Yes,
me
he's nil on the
no,
board.
about to experience from it come up, you know, and I was waiting on the lyrics.
You didn't follow the rules?
I did.
Follow. You play the lyrics first.
Unforgettable by Nat King Cole.
Damn, that was good.
Unforgettable.
Come on now.
If not reach
What
it.
you are. Y'all do you know this song?
Yes.
Unforgettable. Though near or far. Take it away now.
You all don't know the old song, right?
I do. Just don't know the words.
That clings to me. How the thought of you does things to me. Never. Sing the man. Never
You're doing so beautifully. Why would I spoil that? Next.
Tune back.
Move on, you're such a criminal.
Your teeth.
That's such a viral.
I had gotta be ready.
Are you that man? Oh,
Where do we go?
coffee.
Coffee.
Coffee. Oh, you have to sing it. You have to sing it.
And everybody turn road.
Well, I don't know the lyrics, so I couldn't sing this even if it is.
You know I'm feeling you.
Yeah, look for the lyrics. She's such a crook.
She did it first.
You read it? I don't know.
Yolo is a crook.
She
We
is.
find out something about Yolo, this man. She's a crook.
We know that one though. We are going to lockdown. We know that line.
Do I get a prize for winning?
No,
something?
you don't.
No.
You know,
For
we
this-
not
guessing a
now.
song?
Not one.
I know, no,
We
because
know
you
that
turn
end
wrong
of
on that.
it. If you let me.
All right,
Cards,
come again.
Run again.
Oh, that's not it.
That is coffee. Lockdown.
Tea. Sugar.
Wow.
Isn't she lovely, Stevie Wonder?
That was an easy one. Oh my.
Because that's my Aaron Boo's song. Lovely. Love this song. Isn't she wonderful?
Greatest entertainer apart from Bob
Isn't she
Marley.
precious? Less than 1 minute. Did the song for his daughter when she was born. I can't believe what God has done. Through love, He's given life to one.
Isn't she
Lovely, make of love. What a great song.
Always puts you in a good mood, you know.
Crook. Watch out.
Electric Boogie.
Dance at Africa. Come on now. Come on now.
I'm gonna sit this one out. I cannot dance, so. But yeah.
I can, but I just don't remember it.
Go.
So.
1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Pop, 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 pop. Da, 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 pop, pop. Da, 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 da. All right.
I'm almost
Queen
certain.
Master.
Who right this?
Boogie, boogie, boogie.
Almost certain it's Bunny Wailer, right?
It is Bunny. Ah, you're going, you know.
Pretty awesome.
Here, there, and everywhere.
Electric slide.
I've got to move. I'm going on a party ride. Teach you, teach you, teach you.
Come guys, teach me something,
I'll
man.
teach you the electric stuff. It's a lost cause. Are you coming with me? Come, let me take
Electric
you on
slide.
Boogie. Who next?
That's it.
Okay. Yeah?
Oh, that's not it.
YOLO, you are
You gotta stay ready.
Stay ready with your answer.
Teeth is a post. Strength of a woman
He's
by
worse than
Shaggy.
me.
Oh, this
Shaggy.
Angel. Raven and Shruggy. Girl, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Come to the end of this when I'm in need, baby. Girl, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Come to the end of my... Oh, we're singing the wrong song. Go on, come in, Shaggy.
Life is one big party when you're still young.
But who's gonna have your back when it's all done?
Yeah.
I like that part.
What about the long run?
Yeah.
Come on, Trev. Oh, enough attention. I wanna show the nation my appreciation.
Yeah.
Hey, Clive, you're going enough. Hey, yeah. You done? You want to me, baby.
That's it.
Go on, come there for it. We have to give you come there.
All right, you're never yours.
Go on. Go on.
This is Alton Hills. My Willow Tree. Big tune.
Come on,
So the lyrics there. Cry not for me, my Willow Tree.
Da, 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 da. Cry not for me.
My Willow Tree.
Go on there.
Don't shed your tears eternally.
Go on again.
'Cause I have found the love I've searched for.
Oh my God! Shit, I did not see it coming.
Oh boy.
Oh my gosh.
Guys are something else, man.
Wow.
One more?
You get me good on that one. You got me good. Is there one more? Move your girl. But
About this musical this coming your way.
No. Don Penn.
This is Don Penn.
No, it's not.
It is.
Not this version.
No. It's karaoke, girl.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes, best version for it.
You don't
Love me, and I know now.
For the people.
Yeah, baseline. Hey, dum pop, pop. No. Hey, I don't love me. Yes, I know now. I don't like how Nev not sing this morning.
You left me.
'Cause you left me, baby. And I've got no way to.
All right, folks, that's it for something to smile about. Thanks, my sister. You're
I
like a
definitely
crook.
smiled.
No,
So.
you're a crook.
I'm not a
You're a
thief.
crook.
You know the post. What do I call that? That post.
All right, we'll shine the final spotlight on women leaders in business when we come back from this break. Stay with us, please. Soon come.
Ba-da-da, they do that.